I like to show you how to make a big and cute bow on package. It's easier if you use thick wired ribbon. Make one loop and the tail. Hold the point, then release it. Place the point on the package, then wrap it like this. Cross the right short end ribbon under the long end ribbon. Then pull it to the upper right corner. This is the most important tip to make a straight bow. Tie it firmly. Make a loop with the long end ribbon toward the upper right. Then make another loop towards the left. Continue to make 3 loops on the right side and 2 loops on the left side. The left side is always 1 loop less than the right side. Squeeze all loops together at the center point. Tighten the cross point. Wrap the short end ribbon around the loops. While tightening the ribbon, push it into this fold and pull it out to the left. Adjust the loops. To tighten, pull the bottom loop on each side, the top of the loop on the left side, and the bottom of the loop on the right side. Adjust the length of the loops while making a puffy bow. Once it's almost okay, add another narrow ribbon on the top of the bow. Do the same, make 1 loop and a little longer tail, then hold the point and press it on the nut on the bow. Push into the short ribbon on the right side and the nut from top to bottom. Tie a narrow ribbon over the nut. Tuck the short ribbon under the longer ribbon from left to right and pull it out to the upper right. Then make loops just like the first bow. This time, make 2 loops on the right side and 1 loop on the left side. Make a small bow in the same way as the previous big bow. Tighten in the same way. Pull the bottom of the right bottom loop and the top of the left bottom loop. Adjust both bows and make them puffy. Trim the tails with a thick ribbon. Make them fluffy. At last, cut the tails of narrow ribbon. I hope you like it.